I want to show you how to add an infinite zoom in Premiere Pro. To get started, I just added 10 clips to my timeline that we're going to use for this effect. From the start of the first clip, hold Shift and push the right arrow to move ahead 5 frames. Then hit W to trim the clip. Now do this for the remaining clips, moving ahead 5 frames and pushing W to trim the clip back. Under Effects, search for Transform and add the effect to the first clip. Now go to Effect Controls and hit the keyframe button next to Scale under Transform. Then modify Scale to 200. Move your timeline slider to the end of the clip. Then reset the scale value to 100. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 320. Now simply right-click Transform and copy. Then highlight your remaining clips and push Ctrl+V to paste the effect.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.